dear learners, here you can see when I open the .NET Framework IDE, you will have directly these two frameworks to implement the console application in C#. So you see the first one, console application, if you click on it, it will support .NET 6.0 and .NET 7.0 frameworks. If you click on this second one, it will support 4.7.8 framework. So this is the last one and this is the latest one. The first one is the latest one. So today we are going to understand how to use a 6.0 in our development of C# code. So here we write first the project name. So you can see here .NET 6.0 long-term support and .NET 7.0 is standard term support. So we will take long-term support. Long-term support having a benefit, if it has been having some updates, it will be directly updated. So we will take long-term support here. So here you can see we do not have any main body, but in the last framework when we open the particular framework we directly have a main body. Okay, but here the full code inside the main body automatically. And you can see in the solution explorer you will find C# program class. So this all IDE is a program class. This all IDE is a program class. Or you can see here system collection generic, means all the namespaces are here. It is showing you here, okay, in the dependencies, all the directories. So now if I need to write a source code here for like inheritance, so how can we write it? First, for inheritance what we will do, first is the class. As we know, one class. This class we are taking a name brand. Okay, and I am writing here parent so we can understand easily, is a parent class. So parent brand, and we take some for any brand. What are the things are common all the time? The name of the brand, from where it starts, and in which year it started. So these things are always same whenever we are continuing with the brand all around the centuries. So here we are taking like some data members. First, these data members, I am not taking string, I am not taking integer, I am not taking boolean, nothing. I am just taking directly the object. Today we are making all the data members are object type. So these data members we don't need to keep, like if you want to convert the value you will use the convert class method or parse method. Otherwise you will just keep it safe in the object type. Okay, so here like first product name, second is address, brand address or base address, third is when it starts, so start year. These are the some data members we have taken in the parent class. Okay, because these things are same all the time. Here we are writing a constructor, so constructor should be public, we know, and after that the name of the class same as the special method name. This is a constructor. Inside this we are writing something like, here it is better to take a brand name. No, it's okay. So here we are writing brand name. So we are writing here some values. See, this is object type and I am writing a string type value here. I will tell you why it will support for all type of values. So first is brand name. So we can take any type of brand like NGSPL is any name of the brand. Okay. After that the brand address, base address, and I am writing here. After that the start year. You can see here it is supporting integer type value, it is supporting string type value. Both are string here, this one and this one, but it is supporting all the types. Okay. After that, we will take here one method, simple method. So for method, what we need? First access specifier public, then the return type of the method. I am taking here string, and after that we have the name of the method. This is the name of the method, and then we write some source code here. So we are writing like console dot write, not write line, we are taking write here, and inside we are just writing a /t and brand name, then again /t address, base address, sorry, and then /t start year. We have taken these details, better to take here right line. We have taken in the same line, so that's why I have taken here the right line. Okay, so now, and what is the return type here? String. So you see here, I am telling you the new thing. If I need to write some brand name, we can do in two ways. One way we have done like this. Okay, it is better to take here void. I will tell you the next without to return the value in another part. So here we have taken one method. This is a simple default method. Okay, default method for parent class. Now we will take here one another class. This is a first class, this is a parent class. Okay, and to implement the single inheritance we need one class, or any inheritance we need another class also. So, and you see one thing, if your class is not having any inheritance, by default it is inherit by the object class by default. Okay, by default it is having a features from the object class. So whenever you will not write any source code for inheritance, also you have an inheritance by default, simple inheritance. Okay, so now here we are taking one more class. This class, like we will take some product details. Okay, this class we will take some product details, again the class keyword, and this class name we are taking product detail. This is a product detail class inside this class, and this class is basically a child. Okay, this class is a child class. So if we are taking his child class, so we will have a parent class with it, parent brand. Okay, this is the class name. Here we are taking some first some data members. These data members like product ID, product price, product fabric is like that. Okay, so here we are taking first the data members. Again we will take data members, so object type. Okay, so PID is the product ID, then product like fabric, then the product price and product name is good. You can see here like product fabric and product name and product price, all are the PID is integer type, fabric and name are the string type, and price is a double type, but we are taking all in the object type. Okay, so here we will take a constructor for this. In this constructor you will write like see here, product ID of which type? Integer type. Okay, so we will take here int dot, or you can take the convert class method also. Convert dot to int is your choice. Okay, I told you all the ways already. So see, for ID we have integer type value. We don't bother about after that which type we declared, just the object. So object type you can convert in any ways, in any type. Okay, so you don't bother about that. After that, how many members? Product ID, then product name. So we will take here name, and here we will write p name. Okay, and for name is a string type, so we don't need to write integer. Same for fabric, we don't need to write this because this is string type again. And the another one is price. Price is double type, so we will take here double. So you can see, with the help of object type we have taken a different type of data into it. Okay, and after that we need to display this. So again we will take one method public, then return type. I am taking here string, and after that I am taking here child output. Here in this method we want to show the output and return value. Okay, so for this we will copy this is better, and we will write here all the details. Child class output method, and here console.write only we need it, so we remove this. Same we will do for this, same for this, and same for this. So all the console write line statement we have written. Now we have a string type. Okay, and for string type we want to return some value. So there we are going to return, and we will take one string, and we are taking here like product ID. Okay, then product name p underscore name. Okay, and after that I am writing here it's done something like that. Okay, I want to print the value of this. I want to print the value of PID and product name. So how can we do this? If we need to do this, we will use one specific operator curly bracket, we will use with it curly bracket value. I am writing a value because the format specifier we are taking here, product name and product ID. Okay, after that, before this, before your double inverted comma started, just write here dollar symbol. So you see it is converted to value. It is directly converted to value. Inside this you see now it is a string. Okay, when you apply dollar symbol, it is directly converted to value. Okay, so in .NET Framework 6.0 you can do like this. Okay, and here now you see we have taken one parent class and we have taken one child class. Yeah, this is the parent class, parent brand, and this is the child class, product detail. And when you open it, you will see inside the parent class we have taken the things will not be changed throughout the life. What is the base location from where it is started? Okay, what is the start year? So all over the centuries, if your brand will be continue work in the market, these three things will not be changed the whole life. Okay, and after that these things we have initialized the value because we will not change throughout the life. After that it is showing only the output of these things. Then we have taken a new class, is a product detail, is a child class, and in this child class we have taken a features from the parent class. So we are using here inheritance. Yes, single or simple, any name you can take, single or simple inheritance. Okay, after that we have taken another data members here. Inside the product detail class we have taken an input from the user and we made it constructor. With the help of constructor to initialize the data members is good, as we discussed before. Okay, so this constructor is a child class constructor and default constructor. It is a default constructor for child class. Okay, now we have taken the values from here. This is the input constructor we have written because you can understand easily. Okay, after that we have taken a child output class, method, and in this method we displayed all the values whatever we have taken. Now till here we have a simple inheritance. Okay, we will make one more class and it will become a hierarchical inheritance, and we will make one more class, it will become multi-level inheritance. So first we will just execute till now and then we modify two more classes into it. So now in .NET Framework 6.0 we do not need to write any main method. Directly what we will do here, we will create an object of the class. So what is the name of our child class? Product detail. Okay, what is the name of our child class? This is the name of our child class. Now we take here and then the object name. So like CHOBJ is the name of the object we have taken. Now we will take new and this. So we created object for the child class. Now dear, with the help of child class we can access all the methods of the parent class and the child class, as we know the information of the single inheritance. So see here, ch object dot, when you open it you will see parent output is the parent class and child output is the child class. Okay, and you see these methods, toString, getType, equal, getHashCode, these all methods from the object class. these four methods are coming from the object class automatically. So that's why we are saying even we are writing an object class with our source code or not, but it accesses the four methods from the object class always. So these are the methods are the proof, means from where it is coming. It is coming from some class which already have given the features to our class. So this class is the base class for all the classes. So these four features are coming from there. Okay, so now we will apply our class. First is parent output, and it means we executed our parent class method, okay, with the help of child class object, is the first proof of our inheritance. Second, we can access the child class members also. We can access the child class members also. So child class is child output. We have taken the child class, parent class, okay. Where is our return value? Here in output, okay. So we want to return the value and we want to print the value. So what we will do here, we will apply here console, because we want to show the value, okay. Console write line, and just put here this, okay, and here my dear console dot read key. So I think it is more easier than the last frameworks. We don't need to write even the second class, because you know we are already inside the main program class. We are already inside the program class. We don't need to write it. In .NET Framework 6.0 it has been changed. So you can directly create an object here. You don't need to write another class for this process. Just you created a class for your like one for your parent and one for your child, and after that directly create object for it. Okay. So you can see the whole program is this. Yeah. Okay, now you can see the whole source code, and we are trying to execute one time, and after that we will make some new classes here. So we have taken till here all the product details, and we have taken the brand detail. Okay. So now execute it. So you can see it is a child class input constructor. Okay. So you need to write some details here. See, it is showing you the brand details, okay, the name of the brand, from where it is started, and the year, start year. Okay. Child class output, it is showing you product ID 102, product name trouser, fabric linen, and product price you have taken like 1 2 3 4 5 whatever. Okay. It is a return value, trouser, done. So here it is showing the particular this ID and trouser. So we can make a format here, like first we will put here right line. Okay. So it will be showing in the next line. So, okay. Now it will come on the next line, okay. And here also we will take one more. Okay, now it will make a space. Product ID, okay. Now it is much better than before. Product name, anything, fabric, price. So this is a brand detail, okay. Now this is a output details of this, and this product done. So you can see here we fetching a value. We are fetching a value from the name and the ID. This value we are fetching just with the help of dollar symbol. Okay, and dollar is working as a format specifier for this. So hope you all understand this, or we can take here this for making a space. Okay, so till here we created a simple single inheritance. Now take one more class, like class, okay, and in this class you write like product discount, okay. So product discount on, and here I will just want to make you, it will show the price in dollars, okay. So here you will take one class discount. So discount like one is we will take like 30, okay, class discount 30. This discount class we need to fetch the price. So price is where we have inside the product detail class. Price we have inside the product detail class. So we will take here, we will write here this. So you see here this class parent brand giving the features to product detail giving the features to the discount. So which inheritance we are applying here? Multi-level, okay. This is basically a multi-level inheritance. Now I want to make one more class. I am taking here discount 50, okay, and again I am taking this detail from product class. So now hierarchical inheritance, because discount class, discount 30, discount 50, both are the child of the product detail class. Both are child of the product detail class. So what we are using here, till here we are using multi-level inheritance. This also supporting multi-level inheritance, but both are the child of product detail class. So also we are applying here hierarchical inheritance. So you can see here all type of inheritance details which were implemented with classes. I'm not talking about interfaces, because multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance only implement with interfaces. So we will discuss after the interfaces. But till now we studied three simple, hierarchical, multi-level. All are the inheritance we can implement by using classes, and we can do like this. Okay. So now you can offer a discount here. How you will be offer a discount? Discount always be on the price. Discount always be on the price. Okay. So what is the price you are taking? Accordingly you will apply. Okay. Like you can take the conditions here. If you want to apply the condition, like if anyone is taking the price product till $100, will offer the discount 30%. If anyone is taking product with $150, giving discount 50%. Is it depends on the total, depend on the conditions. Okay, what conditions you are offering to them, to the user. So like this we can apply here the inheritance. So dear learners, here now we can understand in this program. Here we are seeing the full detail about the program. Like first we check here, this is the one class, this is the parent class, parent brand. We can see here this is a parent brand class, and this product class having the features from the parent brand class also. So this is a child class of it. After that we can see one more class, the discount 30. This class having a features from the product detail class, and one more class we have discount 50. This class also having a details from product detail class. So we can see here the first class is parent brand. This class is accessing all the features from the parent brand class. So this is a child class of this. So we are applying here single inheritance, and after that we have here some data members. These data members are object type, product ID, product fabric, and product name. Here we have taken one protected data member, double type, price. This price we will access to the discount classes also. So this class parent brand having a child product detail, product detail having two childs, product detail having two childs, one is discount 30, one is discount 50. So these are the two childs for the product detail. We are using here hierarchical inheritance. We are using here hierarchical inheritance. We have written here multi-level inheritance because the product detail having a features from the parent brand class, and discount 30 having a feature from the product detail class. So it is also implementing a multi-level inheritance concept. The same discount 50 having a parent class product detail having a parent class parent brand. So that's why here also we are applying a multi-level inheritance. So these are the examples of multi-level inheritance, and this is an example of single inheritance, and these two classes having a same parent. So it is an example of hierarchical inheritance. So we can understand easily. we apply here hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance and single inheritance. So now we should understand one thing. With the help of discount 50, we can access the members of product detail class, and we also can access the members of the parent brand class. So now here we are having one detail for the product to be 30% discount and one detail with the product 50% discount. So we have taken a formula here only, and we are taking here a double type return value from the D50 output method, and we have taken a return statement here to return the value of this method. The same we are doing here. After 30% discount, it will show the price and we will return a value from this method as well. And same double type return type we have taken from here. Now we have created an object for discount 30 and discount 50, because with the help of discount 30 and discount 50 class object, we can access all the features throughout the program. So now we can see the details here. This is the object of discount 30 and this is the object of discount 50. After that, this is the obj d30 name and obj d50. With the help of obj d30, we access the product detail. And we should understand one thing. If we are accessing a detail from the object d30, so all the details will be keeping with d30. And when we need object d50, again we need to assign the values to object d50, because it will allocate the memory separately for d30 and separately for d50. So that's why we are taking for first object, and after that we are taking here the details from the parent output method. So this is the method from the parent output class, and again we are taking D30 output. So this is the product detail class. So we can understand here this is the parent class, okay. And after that we have parent output, the same class, and here we are taking output from the child class, and we are taking this console write line before this because we want to return a value from it and we want to show the value on the output screen. So we will return a value and show the output. It will show after console write line statement. We will be writing before that only. The same we are doing for D30 output, and after that we need to take another object. Another object is D50, and we need to assign again the details here, because these details will be keeping separately for D50 object, and these details are separately keeping for D30 object. So we should be careful about that. And again we are accessing details from the parent output method, the same, and the same we are doing for child class method, accessing with the help of object D50 method, D50 object, and here D50 output method. And here we are printing the total amount paid by the customer after the discount. After the discount, whatever the amount has been completing, because this we will receive here the return value. This return value we already have seen here. This is the return value from D30 and this is the return value for D50. So these return values we will receive, and we can just add here. We have taken here the add operation, arithmetic operation, and we just show the total amount to be paid by the customer. And now we execute this program and we will see the details on the screen. So here we enter the product ID like we have entered 101, and the product name like I am entering the shirt, and after that the fabric like we are entering linen, and then the price, like it is for $100. Now you can see here it has shown the brand name, and it has shown the child class output method, and here the product detail, and after that is the return value from the child class method, and after 30% discount the product price is 70%. So it has given the full detail about the first product. And now we are taking a second product. This is calling by object 50. This one was calling by object 30. So now with the object 50 we are doing the same activity. The product ID we are taking like 102, then the product name we are taking like trouser, and then it is asking for fabric, we are taking here cotton. Then it is asking for price, so we are taking like $120. So you can see here after discount we are receiving here after 50% discount is 60, and after 30% discount was 70, and it is 60. So the total price is 70 and plus 60. So 70 plus 60 is total amount to be paid by the customer is $130. So it is a simple program to show all type of details of the inheritance with classes. So it is an example of inheritance with classes only, because we can understand here single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance together. So these are the details. We got the idea about that here. So this is the complete inheritance. Again, one time more, we are just trying to execute it. Like 101 shirt, linen, like $100. It is giving the first detail. After 30% discount, the $70 you need to pay. Then the second product 102. Now the name of, now then the fabric, like you are taking a cotton. Then like you are taking again $100. So it is giving a $50 after discount. You can see here this is the return value for the shirt, and this is the return value for the trouser. Okay, and then after 50% discount is 50. So total is 30% discount, and 50% discount is becoming 120. So total amount to be paid by the customer is $120. So this is the way, and we can understand the whole idea about that. Thank you so much.